I finally got it today, guys. I got it as in I got it today. Everybody say, okay, let me do a no makeup makeup, a no makeup makeup, a no makeup makeup, and I will try, but I will end up applying a complete full makeup on my face. But today I got it right, so I'm going to take you through the journey of how I did this. I want to try again today because there is no harm in trying. With my setting spray, go in with my V Beauty foundation, my beauty blender to do that. As light as possible. Let's see how it's going to look like. But let me blend in. So I'm going to this little foundation on my neck to get it blend with my face. I want to go in with my eyebrows. Normally, I like to do my brow for my brow. So this is a Davis pencil color 18. Nothing serious, remember. So I'm just going to trace down my brows to be possible and to do my brows before my foundation, but I'm just using this up my brows. So I just trace the line out. My hand to blend in to not be obvious. So I'll use the powder to blend into my eyelid under my eyes with my setting process out, and I'm going to sit like this. When I leave it to sit there for a while, I go in with my pencil first. Oh, like this. I'm going to go. I love it. So I'm going with this minute lip stain at the middle. Gloss. A bit of blush. So I'm going to be pressing it here. Blush like, and just of this SF setting powder. I'll go in with my is what I have as my no makeup, guys. Hope I tried.
So I want you guys to help me rate this 1/10 in the comments. Leave a thumbs up for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!